Dear students, welcome to my channel Elite Maths class. Today we are solving exercise 8.4 of trigonometry, that is chapter 8 of NCERT book. So this is my second class, actually second video. If you are watching this video first time, you first go through the my last class, whose link is given in the description box, then you watch this part. Okay, so let's start with question number 5. There are two questions, Roman 1 and Roman 2 of question number 5. Up to number 4 already solved in the last class, in the last video. Now see, from 5 actually these are some different types. These are proofs. These are proof type question, that is proof that this equal to this or something like that. The question are of like this. Now we will see how to prove, how to solve, how to get the result of this type of solutions. Don't worry, the first thing you have to do is to memorize the formulas. Only 20 including all the perpendicular base relations, including this, there will be maximum 20 formulas. The first thing you have to do is that memorize the formulas, memorize the identities, memorize the complementary relations. For this type of questions, all the formulas are very important. So let's start with question number Roman 1 of 5. See the question. Prove that cosec theta minus cot theta whole square equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. That is this part equal to this part. Remember that for this type of question, this one is LHS, this one is RHS. For this type of questions, there will be three methods to prove. That is, in three different ways you can solve the question. Now see, the three methods are what? First one, in the first case you can show that or prove that LHS equal to RHS. That is, you start from LHS, prove that LHS equal to RHS. That is, you start from this part and show that this equal to this. Second technique is, you can start with RHS and show that RHS is equal to LHS. That is, you start with this part and show that after simplifying calculation, then show that this equal to this. That is, these two parts are same. And the third part is in third way, in which you separately calculate LHS and RHS. Show that this one equal to something, this one equal to something, you simplify, then show that these two parts, that is the value of RHS equal to value of LHS. So these three types of ways by which you can solve this type of problems. Okay, by these three different methods you can solve this type of problems. Now see, now question number 1 of Roman 5. Now I am solving this from LHS to RHS. That is, I am starting with LHS. Start with LHS. LHS is what? LHS is cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. What we have to show that? We have to show that this equal to this. That is, these two values are same, exactly equivalent. That is, our target will be to prove 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta to get. That is to prove, that is to find that value of this one is this. Now as cos is there or sine is there, so here see that it is cosec, it is cot. So our main objective will be to convert cos and cot in terms of sine. Now what is the value of cosec? It is 1 by sine theta, sorry, cosec, minus what is cot? Cot is cos theta by sine theta. As the RHS is in the form of sine cos, then we have to convert the given expression, given terms in terms of sine and cos. Now see, LCM is same, since the denominator part is same, sine. So we are taking the LCM. LCM is sine. What will be in the numerator? It will be 1 minus cos theta whole square. The next step, what we can write? Just separate the square. So it will be 1 minus cos theta whole square by, it will be sine square theta. Next, see what we can write? 1 minus cos theta whole square by sine square theta. Sine square theta equal to See the identities already written. Sin square theta is what? Sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. So in place of sin square theta we can write 1 minus cos square theta. Next what we can do? Keep it unchanged. Here see that 1 minus cos square theta, 1 we can consider as 1 square. So see the form, it is a square minus b square. What is the formula of a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. Now see 1 minus cos theta in the numerator part whole square, that is 2 1 minus cos theta is there. In the denominator part it is single term, so 1 minus cos theta is cancelled. So what remains? 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta equal to RHS. So it is complete. Now you try from RHS to LHS, from RHS to LHS, that is you start from here and try to show that this is exactly equal to the same as I showed that LHS starting from here it is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Hope this is clear. Now let us start number Roman 2 of 5. Now this is the question, Roman 2 of number 5. Prove that cos a by 1 plus sin a equal to 1 plus sin a plus 1 plus sin a by cos a equal to 2 sec a. As I have told just before that, there are two ways to prove this type of, or to solve this type of problems, that is LHS to RHS, RHS to LHS, or separately you calculate both part and show that the values are same. In some cases you have to apply some techniques. Now what techniques? Now see that this is the given question. The LHS part, there are two terms, it is a large expression, whereas in the RHS part it is a smaller part, that is a single term is there, 2 sec a. So it is better in such types of questions you better start with the larger expression, because it will be difficult to start with the smaller expression, get a large expression. It will be easier start with the larger expression and end with a smaller expression. So in this question we will start from LHS. This type of questions are very easy, don't get worried, but one thing you have to do is to memorize all the formulas. So do that thing first, memorize all the formulas, then you will be easily understand these sums, this type of identities. These are actually application of identities. Now we have written the LHS part. Now what can we do? See here all the terms are in sin and cos, so we can't convert into cosec, cot, etc. It is better, as these are in the simplest form, take the LCM. What is the LCM? 1 plus sin a into cos a, that is the product of the terms in the denominator. Now what will be in the numerator part? So 1 plus sin a is common, so it will be cos square a plus 1 plus sin a whole square. Simple LCM of lower classes. Now there is nothing to do in the denominator part. Now see here in the numerator part it is cos square a. Here what can we do? Just break the whole square. So it will be a plus b whole square, means a square plus 2ab, that is 2 into 1 into sin a, plus b square a. Sorry, b square, that is sin square a. Here also nothing to do in the denominator part. Here see 1 square means 1, cos square a plus sin square is there, so this is the first identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta. What is the value of sin square theta plus cos square theta? It is 1, so we can write cos square a plus sin square a 1, plus 1 is there, plus 2 sin a. Now see the next step, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 sin a. Here 1 plus sin a into cos a. Now say 2 can be common, 1 plus sin a remains, 1 plus sin a into cos a. 1 plus sin a, 1 plus sin a, same term cancelled, so what remains? 2 by cos a. Now this can be written as 2 into 1 by cos a. 1 by cos a is what? 1 by cos a is sec a, equal to RHS. Now see, very easily we got RHS. So something you have to remember, as in this question right hand side portion is a single term, so we will start from the LHS. Clear? This is question number 3 of number 5. See here the question is prove that tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta equal to 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. In most of the problem you will find that LHS, normally what happens, LHS will be a large expression will be there, and in the RHS part it will be a smaller expression. So in maximum of the cases you will start from LHS. Now in some cases you see the question which one is will be very easier for you. In some cases, if say both the expression are complicated, in that case the simplest way, easiest way will be you calculate separately LHS and RHS and show that both the values are same. That means LHS equal to RHS. If you can show that start with LHS equal to RHS, it will be better, or from RHS to LHS it will be better. But don't worry, there will be no mark deduction in the exam for any kind of method. You can use any one of them. Clear? So now see this question. The LHS is tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta. What we have to show? We have to show that this equal to 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. Now see that here all the terms are tan and cot. So what we will do? It will be better to simplify in sin and cos. So what is sin theta? Sorry, tan theta. Tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. It will be 1 minus cos theta by sin theta plus cot theta is what? Cos theta by sin theta. 1 minus tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. Now see the next step. There is nothing simplification in the numerator part. In the denominator part, take the LCM. LCM is what? It is 1 by 1 sin theta. So in this part it will be sin theta minus cos theta plus here it will be cos theta by sin theta. In the denominator part it is cos theta minus sin theta. Clear? Now see this term sin theta by cos theta into it will be sin theta by sin theta minus cos theta. I am showing every step so that you can easily understand the sum. Now what this term will be? It will be cos theta by sin theta into cos theta by cos theta minus sin theta. Now in the next step, see sin theta into sin theta, so it is sin square theta. See here it is cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta plus it will be cos square theta by sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. Now in this step you see one thing, again we have to take the LCM, but the problem is here it is cos theta, it is sin theta. Nothing can be done with these terms as these are two different terms. But here it is sin theta minus cos theta, but here it is cos theta minus sin theta. What can be any change can be done? See, it is a minus b, but it is b minus a. You can take a minus common either from this term or from this term so that these two terms become same. So our LCM will be very easy. So we do here, keep the first term unchanged, sin theta minus cos theta plus cos square theta by sin theta. What we used to do? Let us take a negative sign common from this term. So a minus sign will be there. It will be cos theta. After taking the negative sign common, it will be sin theta minus cos theta. You do in the next step, as the negative sign is there. So in the next term, this minus into plus, it will be minus. Now see in the denominator part, this term is common. in both the terms. So what will be the LCM? LCM, in the LCM, sin theta minus cos theta is the common term, then sin theta is there, then cos theta is there. Now what will be in the numerator part? See, cos theta is common, sin theta minus cos theta is common. What is extra? Sin theta is extra. So these sin theta will be multiplied to the sin square theta and it will be sin cube theta minus. Here in the same way it will be cos cube theta. Clear this step? Now see, this is in the form a cube minus b cube. What is the formula of a cube minus b cube? Okay, this is a class 8 formula. A cube minus b cube. There are two formulas. The one is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. This is actually the factorization formula. So now we apply this term, this formula, a cube minus b cube. What is the formula? A minus b. So it will be sin theta minus cos theta into a square. A square is sin square theta plus ab, that is sin theta into cos theta, plus b square, that is cos square theta. Okay, so in the denominator part nothing calculation is there, just write whatever it is in the previous step. Now see what happens. Cos sin theta minus cos theta is there in the numerator and in the denominator, so these two terms will cancelled. After this cancellation, what remains? In the denominator part it is cos theta and sin theta. Here see, sin square theta is there plus cos square theta is there. This is the first identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is what? 1. So we can write 1 plus by these and this 1 plus sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta equal to, now see the proof part, that is the RHS. What is there? It is 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. That is two terms are there, so we split the term. In the after splitting we can write 1 by, that is 1 by this denominator part plus this by sin theta cos theta by cos theta sin theta. That is simply splitting. Now see, sin theta cancel, cos theta cancel. Here 1 by cos theta into sin theta can be split as it is product 1 by cos theta into 1 by sin theta. What will be remain there? 1. Now 1 by cos theta is what? Sec theta. 1 by sin theta is cosec theta plus 1, just rearranging 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. See the RHS part, this is the RHS, so it is finished. This one is little bit lengthy, but see, nothing complex is there. The first and foremost thing is that you have to memorize all the formulas of trigonometry, that is the identities, complementary relations and the reverse reciprocal relation, etc. All this you have to keep in mind always, then these type of problems will be very easy. Now let us see question number 4. Question number 4 of 5, Roman 4 of 5. Here also the question is of same type, that is prove that this equal to this. Now here also you can use the same technique. You either start from LHS or you start from RHS, as in both the terms the expressions are of similar type. So you can start with LHS as well as you can start with RHS, or you may simplify both the sides separately and show that the values are same. I am showing from LHS to RHS. Let's start with LHS. LHS is what? 1 plus sec a by sec a. Now see RHS, sin cos is there, so our first thing we will do, convert sec into cos. What is the relation? Cos sec equal to 1 by cos a. Here it is 1 by cos a. Now take the LCM. Cos a, it will be cos a plus 1 by 1 by cos a. This cos a cancelled, equal to 1 plus cos a. From here you can get RHS as well as you can solve or simplify RHS separately, you will get the same result. So This one I am showing in a different way. Start from RSS and simplify this. RSS is what? Sin square A by 1 minus cos A. What is sin square A? Sin square A is 1 minus cos square A, 1 minus cos A. See here, 1 can be considered as 1 square, a square minus b square, so it is a plus b into a minus b 1 minus cos A. This one cancelled, 1 plus cos A. See, what is the value of RSS? 1 plus cos A. What is the value of LHS? 1 plus cos A. Therefore, we can write LHS equal to RSS. Clear? In this way also you can prove the question, this type of problems. There are 3 different ways, by any one of them you can solve. So hope these sums are clear to you. More 5 sums are remaining. In the next video I will solve the remaining 5 sums. Hope this was very clear to you. All the sums are clear. One thing, just memorize all the formulas, then any type of problem will be very easier to you. After memorizing all the formulas by yourself only, you can find out the techniques. In trigonometry actually some techniques are there, especially in this chapter, the identity, where in the sums where the identities are used, especially these are some tricky, some techniques you have to apply. Whenever all the formulas are memorized, only the techniques, the tricks you can get easily, you can get involved. Okay, so these sums are clear.